Welcome back to Car Info channel, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of automotive innovation. Today we're diving into the exciting realm of compact crossovers as we explore the upcoming release of the Mini Aceman, set to revolutionize the market with its sleek design and electric power. In the summer of 2022, Mini, the iconic British brand under the BMW Group umbrella, unveiled the concept of a compact crossover dubbed the Aceman. Fast forward to today, and we're on the brink of witnessing the premiere of its serial version at the Beijing Motor Show on April 24th. Recent photographs have offered us a glimpse into the evolution of the Aceman from concept to production, while retaining its distinctive polygonal headlights and wide LED strip along the perimeter. The production model showcases some noteworthy modifications. The front part remains adorned with its signature polygonal headlights and LED strip, albeit with a simpler central filling. Additionally, the radiator grille, albeit an imitation due to its electric nature, maintains its familiar outlines. Inside, changes compared to the concept are evident, with the appearance of a slightly recessed rectangle, likely representing an active cruise control radar. Moving to the exterior, the angular wheel arches and key-type door handles remain virtually unchanged, in line with the design language seen across Mini and BMW products. However, unlike the concept's frameless doors, the production version will feature doors with window frames. Furthermore, while the lights retain their shape, the LED graphics imitating the British flag will see slight alterations. As for dimensions, the new Mini Aceman will measure 4075mm in length, 1754mm in width, and 1495mm in height, positioning it between the Mini Cooper hatchback and the third-generation Countryman crossover. Powering the Aceman will be electric motors, with options for 40.7 kWh and 54.2 kWh batteries, delivering either 184 HP or 218 HP. With the motors located on the front axle, the Aceman will offer exclusively front-wheel drive. With its premiere just around the corner, the Mini Aceman promises to make waves in the compact crossover segment. Stay tuned for more updates as we count down to its official unveiling at the Beijing Motor Show. That's all for today's video, folks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates from the automotive world. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for the latest in automotive innovation.